Welcome to TIGKING's YouTube channel. Today's topic is TIG Orbital Weld versus manual weld. The orbital welding is the main weld process in our shop to fabricate stainless steel processing pipes. Orbital welding ensures consistent quality, high efficiency, and purity. That's why the orbital weld is widely used in food and beverage and pharmaceutical sectors. On the other hand, TIG is mostly used to weld stainless steel schedule pipes. What is the most important factor in the orbital weld? Good preparation and clean workpiece. Cutting. I need 6-inch long tubing, but I cut 32-inch longer. Why? In many cases, the pipe cut is not straight and rough. The tubing cross-section can be clean and straight by this tool. As you see, the material is gone a little bit through facing. That's why I cut the pipe a little bit longer. Deburring is a must after cutting. Use a stainless steel file to stop contamination. Clean any oil, grease, or dirt with 100% isopropyl alcohol. The workpieces butt together without any gap, and good alignment is very critical for the orbital weld. A custom-made vice grip helps to fit up easily. Some experienced technicians do not purge for tacking, but it is safe to do purging for tack weld. The tack is not oxidized but brown color. I should have done purging for tack weld. I recommend the purging even for a tack weld. First, I changed the weld head clamp for 2-inch tubing. Next, I install the inlet purging gear and insert the ventilation to the other side. I input weld parameters for 2-inch tubing into the power supply. Material type, OD, thickness, amperage, shield gas flow, etc. I chucked the weld head to the joint to be welded. Check if the tungsten electrode sits in place. Make sure the tungsten is over the joint. Turn on the purging gas. Make sure the gas is coming out from the outlet. Good to go. Press start. The tungsten electrode is attached to the weld head. The weld head is rotating. The arc blinks as it is a pulse mode. The weld is very clean and good. But I want a little bit stronger penetration. So I raised the back amperage from 45 to 48. It is penetrated more and looks stronger than the first one. I can adjust the parameter setup and save it. This piece connects 2 portholes. All joints are welded by the Orbital machine. Clean, consistent, high quality. This is a short jumper. Unfortunately, the orbital weld head doesn't fit into, so I have to do the manual welding. Weld current 55. The puddle is not stable and starts to spread. It's too hot So I stopped and lowered the amp to 50. Yes, I feel comfortable now and control the weld as I want. 50 amp is good for me to weld 2-inch tubing in position, but it can be too hot or cold for other welders. Each welder has different weld skills, so the weld amp should be different too. I tried to film the arc shot. Unfortunately, it was out of focus, so I can't show you. Instead, you're watching Schedule 10.5 root pass. I hope it becomes a good reference video for you. The weld is done. Let's take a look at it. Weld bit is consistent, no undercut, looks okay. But I don't like the color. It is too dark. Fortunately, the inside is clean and well penetrated. Orbital weld versus manual weld. There is no winner between the orbital and manual. Each has pros and cons. If possible, please learn both of them. It will give you a better chance for your welding career. Thanks for watching.